enkuyanja y'abicereza okorwa mu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe mu ihanga nibo bamaze rebero no mu kushaba ko kujaguza emyaka 20 eye kanisa ya Kiswahili Full Gospel Church yasyo mu buhereza
and yet it was ignorantly because they've been in captivity. Sometimes they went off.
okushaba okukuhendera ekiterane eki erizoba kwakururwa Archbishop wa Full Gospel Church zo mu ihanga Simon Peter Emiyawo.
One day to God is 1,000 years. And if you look at it one day and you look at 1,000 years, what is the gap between?
Apostle Abel Katambara mukuru w'ekanisa ya Kiswahili Full Gospel Church yasima abakristaya betabira mu kushaboku kandi yabashabo kongera kwirira hihi na Ruhanga.
Scripture negira ngo reka abantu banje bagende, let my people go. Nje cyane kirwe nuko kibire nshigera ati ruterane nduza kwendera erizoba ekireci nduza kurara umunite prayer ntushaba paka usese abakristo butumwa bundi kubahereza nimbahereza ubutumwa abajinurwe je kuguma bahamire abatakajinurwe okujinwa abagwire mugarikane na Ruhanga ensegiti witu no mwiguru na wayangota na wagirota enseji buryo ngoro kundeba turukwija kugiguma
Pastor Masetabaro kurugabo Kashungo Full Gospel branch ya Kiswahili Full Gospel Church turigo mwanya wo kujaguza emyaka 20 ya Kiswahili eyamara omuhereza bityo ruteraniro basize kubonera abantu basize komoroka kandi abantu bebinji
ari nuko umuhereza wacuze ntato God Katete kandi nitwara umugisha ugamba ahakiterane cyabaweri izoba ahamwanya gwa Full Gospel Church abo muhereza wa Mukama Katambara Abel na mami witu okuza emyaka 20 yo guhereza ahabwizoberi kandi kiterane kimazireho ebiro bina
ndiyomwe ahademu ey'abantu abarukira mu rutunga mu rubare Full Gospel Church ebyo mumba praise and worship oruterane bantu mwe mwije oruterane rugendo misho oruterane rubonire
ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutuguse.